How to show notification previews on your iPhone 8 Plus. Notification previews let you see the content of messages, emails, and other app notifications directly on your lock screen or notification center without opening the app. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap Notifications. Next, tap Show Previews on the screen. You'll see three available options: Always, When unlocked, and Never. If you want notification content to appear at all times, simply select Always. If you prefer more privacy, choose When unlocked, so previews are only visible after you've unlocked your iPhone. You can also select Never if you don't want notification content to be displayed at all. Your changes are saved automatically, so there's no need to tap a Save button. You can now exit the Settings app, and your new notification preview preference will take effect immediately. And that's it. You've successfully changed the notification preview settings on your iPhone 8 Plus. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips and tutorials.